I fucking. Oh, nice. I have 2 big shields on me.
Alright. Gold
Dude, I
minigun.
built and it canceled my building and he downed me.
Ooh.
Gold minigun?
Yeah. Here he comes.
That guy door left.
He's on the left.
I didn't even get a shot off. Oh, another guy coming. West. Behind the car.